Good morning, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and today I thought I'd do an update on some of these unique cuttings that have produced flowers and fruit. This one here is Arizona Purple, and the grower told me it's the same thing genetically as Sugar Dragon. So I find that very interesting. It's loose. I could probably eat this right now, but I'll leave it on there for a few more days just to see what happens. Here's a Sugar Dragon. Very small, sad Sugar Dragon. If this was my only cutting and I wanted it to grow, I would pluck this off, but it's rooting and I just want to see what's going to happen to that. Up next is a very interesting Ocamponus. I got this from a friend, and this was one of Paul Thompson's Ocamponus. And this one's interesting because the flower didn't have any red on it. It was green and white. And that's the less spiny of Paul Thompson's collection. The other one is more traditional Ocamponus looking, as you can see. It's much more spiny too. So both have set fruit. We'll see what happens. And this one over here is Paul Thompson's number 7, not 7S. So I'm interested to see what that becomes. It does look a bit different than Sugar Dragon, but very similar at the same time. Now here is the other Jala that I have. Looks very similar. The first one aborted its flower. This is a second one, different cutting, but similar looking flower bud. Very flat and interesting. This here is one of the parents of Sugar Dragon. This is Houghton. And I cross-pollinated it with some fresh pollen. You can see where Sugar Dragon gets most of its DNA. This is one of the parents. Now this one's really interesting as well. This is one I'm calling Isis X from Oceanside Dragon Fruit. It's an Isis seedling, but it does not produce a yellow skin fruit. And in addition to having that flower bud, it also has some new growth there, which is interesting. It's a very aggressive, vigorous grower. I think I'll let it be. I just want to see what the flower looks like for now. As you can see, I have plenty of other cuttings to deal with. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.